Welcome to the Crypto Nest. All right, so I'm going to make an update on Matic because I was reading the comments and someone wasn't really happy because I'm guessing I didn't give a long-term target. Yeah, it is true that I only did the short term. To be fair, don't want to start a fight out there, but yeah, Matic didn't do much this cycle, and while to compare, Bitcoin is going up. Well, Matic is going down. So while Bitcoin is living his best life and making a new all-time high, well, Matic Polygon it's still into a bear market. So is it going to wake up before Bitcoin is going to start this bear market? And then yeah, don't expect Polygon to wake up and do the opposite. And while Bitcoin is going to be in a bear market, Polygon is going to start his bull market. Yeah, don't think that's going to happen. So what's going to happen is, like, if it doesn't wake up soon, well, this coin is going to go to 3 cents or even lower and perhaps disappear. I don't know. Even though the blockchain is working, but at one certain point, if you're not trustable, investors are going to turn the back on you, and they're doing that now because it's like, this is crazy. Now, as a target, there is no way that I can tell you that Matic is going to make a new all-time high. I mean, I shouldn't say no way, but he has to work a lot. Let me put it. Okay, so this is the price to beat. Let me remove here. 283. We are at 23 cents. So we are pretty much many X's. So it's that 13, 14X from where we are now. I would say best case scenario, if we can manage to just make a 5-way up for this cycle, it's going to be already great. So now we do have some reaction here, and there is this possible, yeah, yesterday I did say a 1-2. We have another 1-2 here. So if we can do a 1-2, a 3 and a 4 and a 5, reach this target here for the third wave in circle light blue, and after that, if we can have a 4 and a 5 and actually go and challenge this very long-term downtrend start in 2021, I am expecting price to reject this. If we are lucky, this is going to coincide with the bear market, and don't look at the timestamps here, but this could be something workable. So I'm just saying, if we can manage to make 5-way up, and if we manage, or it's about to reach this yellow downtrend line, I am going to take profits no matter what is the price. And I'm not even sure if I'm gains. I think I am, because I bought it in a bear market. Yeah, actually, I'm not even sure, because bear market was supposed to be 2022, 2023. Yeah, November 2024, fine, but it was not supposed to be 10 April 2025. So even though I have some from the previous cycle, but this is a very big time disappointing performance of Matic. So if just going to check here, and you can see right away that this was a 3-way move, and it looks like now it's just kind of side down movement. It's taking forever. Yeah, there is such thing as the more we go on the side, the more the impulsive movement is going to be strong on the upside. This can happen, and this is like I don't know, maybe institutional or big whales accumulation. Yeah, it could happen, but for the moment I cannot say anything. Just saying that it's in a poor situation. He's making a new lower low even 2-3 months ago, and we are far from even having something more bullish. Were we at least here near the top of this downtrend line in yellow, and we can try to challenge this downtrend line. This is like a 4 years downtrend line, so that's something substantial and very important. Would we start to be here and challenge it and actually break it? Then I'm going to say, well, the first resistance we would need to break would be we try to put it, even though it doesn't really matter if I am let me put it maybe in red or orange. Yeah, there you go, orange. So that's the first one, and then we are going to have a second one here, and then we're going to have this third one. Okay, so if we manage to break out, and actually here it does look good because we did had a downtrend here. So now I'm just talking more long term, right? So we had a downtrend here, multiple points, we break out, and once again now we are stuck. We are stuck between the MA 200 and the MA 50, and we have the 0.618 of this one too. So we are being squeezed now. It's not a bad thing, but I would say maybe perhaps you still need a little bit more side consolidation and then go. And as you can see, perhaps is doing a triangle, right? So we shall see what's happening. Let me check the RSI on the daily. Still not overbought, so it can push higher. Yeah, that's pretty much all. But I'm not super bullish in this coin until we don't reach this yellow trend line and we actually attempt to break it. This is a nice accumulation level, and this also 17 cents 225 was a good accumulation because we have kind of 5-way up. We have another possible 5-way up. Not the best technical chart structure also for this second one too. But the risk was very minimum here. And yeah, let's see if we can push higher. If we can manage today or tomorrow or by the end of this week to break out from this MA 200, then we're talking. But once again, if I go on a smaller time frame, by breaking the MA 200, we also need to not just have a fake out, but we want also the price to break this previous peak here of this allegedly wave 1 and push higher. And I think I did the fibs for that, didn't I? I only did the fibs for the blue count. Let me do the fib extension for this yellow wave count. Okay, so we're talking here, third one. Let me put it on the left side. And you see now it's the yellow count and the blue count are getting close. But you can see now that this fifth wave 1.38 is start to be, yeah, it's closer than the 1.236 of the circle wave 3. But if you can push even higher, then would be better. So it implies that, maybe we need a higher third wave in yellow, and that would make it really work out. So forget about the other account. I'm focusing on this one now. We need to price to reach 36 cents to, and even higher if it's possible, to really make discount think that it could be working out on something more bullish. All right, so hopefully I was clear enough. There is no confusion, and everybody's happy with the top target. There is no, anyway, for the moment, yeah, I'm not a person who's going to say, oh yeah, Matic, this cycle is going to go to $5. There are no indication. With what data can I say that, and he's still in a bear market. What was it? I mean, if price was already doing something like this or near the previous, at least, or not even that, but at least going and challenging this this high B wave that actually, yeah, this one here. I don't know why the B wave is there. So I should have done that before. So if that was the case, then I could have said, okay, so let me do the fib extension, right? But now for the moment, this is what you would get. Wow, so we do have, even to be conservatory, we have under $58.49. Do you think this is believable or feasible from 23 cents? It's impossible. So I don't know. People that are hoping for a high price, they don't like the chart, and then they say, I didn't give any target. Do you like that target? It's not feasible. It's not realistic. So there you go. Sorry, not happening. $150 Polygon, not in this cycle. All right, so if we are lucky, 76 cents. There you go. Okay, hopefully you enjoy the video, even if you don't like the content or the targets. And please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. But I do appreciate the comment though, because yeah, there are many people out there like Moon Boys that they believe that there are some YouTubers that just say numbers. Maybe it's good for the click rates and the membership, but me, I'm saying just the truth. My channel, it's a hobby. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to invest anything. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. And my point of view is the Polygon 76 cents. It's a great target. If we can get to 132, 133, or 154, I would say this is the top of this market. I will be pleased to be wrong, but I'm not expecting more from this coin. Maybe it's going to happen in next cycle, but this cycle, yeah, I think investors are investing elsewhere. There is many other factors like AI, ETFs, and Solana, Ethereum. Big whales, big institutions are investing in Bitcoin, in Ethereum, in Solana. Not that much in Matic. Would it be, a Matic ETF? Then maybe we'll start talking. But I honestly didn't hear anything about Matic ETF. Maybe I'm wrong, but I never heard anything. I heard XRP, I heard Solana, I heard Cardano. But Matic, honestly, I don't recall hearing anyone saying someone is interested. Maybe I'm wrong, but let me know. Did you hear something about an ETF on Polygon? Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Once again, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.